What happened in Chinese math society? Some Chinese mathematicians talk about mathematics in China is disappointing. The famous scientist Xu Chengyang left this cycle. You know, the math cycle in China, I think you understand, it's a dirty world. Today, I will tell you why it is dirty. What can we do to change the situation? First, the information, the details that suggest some math, some very advanced math, the details is not shared to the student, not shared to you, not shared to me, even not shared to my teacher. So who keep these details? You know, computations in mathematics is very important. 1 + 1 = 2. How to do this computation? Computation itself is very the key point in mathematics, but it is not taught in university now. It is the current situation. Why? It's something concerning economics, not mathematics, because the information we have is not symmetric. The teacher has some detailed technology. He masters some skills in mathematics, but I didn't. Every teacher in the campus own some his own skills, his own technology. I want to talk about he has his own information and he didn't share to anyone. Why it is something about economics? Because if he shares to his colleague, he can't guarantee he will get a reward from that guy. Why? He shares his secret math to that colleague. Of course, that colleague will reward him by their secret math. Some secret information. They will give him a feedback. They will do a reward. That's in Chinese. We reward this. People give me, I will give back. But that's important issue. There is important issue in this trade. The information exchange is not symmetric. It's not equal. Your teacher gave Smith his information. Smith was also trade some information to your teacher. But who can guarantee that your teacher can understand what exactly Smith talk about? Your teacher cannot understand. That's the point. Why he cannot understand? He is a teacher, and that guy is also a teacher. They are equal. Why one cannot understand the other? Every issue occurred here. Because if your teacher teaches his very secret, detailed mathematics about how to compute how to solve a problem to a guy, to another teacher, but he cannot sure that teacher can give him the same detailed information. He will give back some kind of information, but not exactly same extent detailed information. He will kept some. Like Bruce Lee fight with a Korean guy. He teach his 日字冲拳 to that guy. But that guy don't share Bruce Lee his secret punch. So what's the consequence? The consequence is your teacher don't willing to share anything anymore. That happens in Chinese mathematical society. That happens every day. That happens student to my teacher to student. That happens. So no one wants to share his secret information. So it will not be an open cycle. If you can understand me, advisor don't advise student. Advisor care about how to survive. But it is hard to survive because he can't get any energy from his colleague, from his cycle, from his society. What he can do is only to grasp some resource from the government. That's the only survival way he owns. That means Chinese mathematics will stop for a long time. If we don't break this rule.